Hey guys, and welcome to my newest tutorial. In today's video, what we're gonna talk about is CX.io crypto wallet. So, how do you download account transactions? That's a big question and it's very easy to answer. So, the easiest thing you can do is just go to the upper right corner to your profile. In your profile tab, you're gonna click on account activity. So you're gonna right or left click on that. So after you left click on that, uh, the first thing it's gonna pop is all your IP addresses. So I had to pause the video, but after you left click on that, you're gonna see this finance button right here. You're gonna left click on that, and here you're gonna see the balance, transactions, payments, achieved orders, everything you need to know. So you're gonna left click on transactions, of course, and after that we're gonna get to this page right here, and you're just gonna click on download CCV. All your transactions have been downloaded. So I think I helped you, and I hope I helped you, and I hope I see you in the next video. Bye.